What's up, online shoppers? Who doesn't bonus from having interchangeable power banks on hand so that you've got power at your beck and call? This is a 2-pack of 1000 milliamp power banks. Now these are awesome because you can charge up to 6 devices between these 2 power banks. I'll explain. Here is the white one, and if you take a look at the back, you actually see that they have the charge ports labeled for you. This one here says USB 1, this one here says USB 2. Even though there are 3 ports on this power bank, not all the ports are going to charge your devices. These ones here are the 2 main output ports, and they are USB. Now there's 2 in the middle, and they call these the input ports, but there is a tiny little exception. This one right here is the micro charger, and that is strictly for power coming into the power bank. So if you plug in a micro charge cord here and then plug it into a block and plug it into the wall, you can definitely charge your device, and that's going to take you probably about 3 hours. But this port here is a USB-C port, and not only will it allow the power to flow into the power bank, it will also allow power to flow out. So you can charge 3 devices in here at the same time, one from each of these USB ports and another one from this USB-C port. Inside the box, they also provide you 2 USB-C ports, so you can use them to both charge your power banks and also take power out if the device you're charging requires a USB-C port. Both of these power banks do have rapid chargers, and they can charge your devices 2.4 times faster than just plugging your device into a cord and this block in the wall. The batteries in here are lithium-ion batteries, and it does have a feature built in to help prevent overcharging, which ultimately could damage a device that was plugged into a power bank otherwise. Now both of them are nice slim in their profile. Each of them only weighs about 1/3 of a pound, so you can slip this in your pocket, slip it in your purse, put it in your backpack, and not really feel like you're carrying around a really heavy brick. As well, on the side is a power button. When you push that power button, the little blue lights on the side light up to show you what the remaining charge is on your power bank. Now out of the box, this one shipped without any charge left in it, and this one shipped with 2 bars. But that's not a bad thing. They say that you should fully drain your power bank before you actually plug it in to restore the charge. So even if it's got 2 bars or no bars, make sure you fully drain it before you plug it in for the first time to charge. The batteries have a memory, and you want them to be able to charge the full way, so remember to thoroughly drain your power bank before you charge it for the first time. If you are looking for power banks to help you recharge all of your electronic devices, this 2-pack by AsperX is a great option. With its slim profile, capacity to charge 3 devices simultaneously per power bank, 1000 milliamps of power per power bank, these are definitely a family favorite at my house, and they could be at your house too.